Listen closely. This world was never built for mercy. It doesn't care for your dreams, your struggles, or your pain. It doesn't care if you fall, and it certainly doesn't care if you rise. You see, the world is indifferent. It watches cold and unmoved as you claw your way forward. The only thing it respects is strength. So ask yourself, what are you going to do about it? Will you sit there, waiting for someone to save you? Waiting for the pain to pass? Waiting for some miracle to pull you out of the pit you're drowning in? Or will you rise? Will you take every ounce of suffering, every scream in the darkness, every crushing weight on your soul, and use it? Use it to fuel a fire that no one can extinguish? Because here's the truth. No one is coming. No one is going to rescue you. The safety net you've been hoping for, it doesn't exist. It's just you and the abyss staring each other down. And the longer you hesitate, the deeper it pulls you. But here's the thing about the abyss. It's not as endless as it seems. It's not bottomless. There is a way out, but the only way out is through. Through the pain, through the doubt, through the fear that grips your throat and whispers in your ear that you're not enough. And yes, you will stumble. You will fall, again and again, your knees bloody, your hands trembling. You'll cry out into the void, and the void will answer with silence. But it's in that silence that you'll find something, a spark, a flicker of defiance, because deep down, beneath the layers of hurt, beyond the echoes of failure, there's a part of you that refuses to break. A part of you that knows you were made for more than this. A part of you that isn't afraid of the darkness, because it is the darkness. Do you feel it? That fire, small as it may be, burning in the depths of your soul. That is your weapon. It's your anchor. It's what makes you unstoppable. But that fire isn't fed by comfort or ease. It's fed by challenge, by hardship, by every moment that threatens to destroy you. The world will throw everything it has at you. It will strip you of your illusions, tear away your safety, and push you to the brink. And that's where the real test begins. It's not about how much you can take. It's about what you do when you've taken all you can. Will you crumble? Or will you rise, piece by broken piece, until you've built something stronger than anything that tried to tear you apart? They'll tell you it's impossible. They'll look at you with pity, shake their heads and move on, leaving you behind. Let them. Let them walk away. Let them doubt you. Their belief is irrelevant. The only thing that matters is what you believe. The only thing that matters is what you do with the fire burning inside you. So stand up. Not because it's easy, but because it's hard. Stand up. Not because the pain has stopped, but because you've decided it doesn't own you. Stand up, even if your legs are weak and your body screams for rest, because you are not finished yet. You are not just surviving. You are building. With every failure, you're learning. With every loss, you're growing. With every blow, you're becoming something stronger, something unbreakable. And when they look at you, when they see the scars and the fire in your eyes, they won't understand. They won't see the battles you fought in silence, the nights you spent wrestling with your demons. They'll only see what you've become. And that's all that matters, because this isn't about proving them wrong. It's about proving yourself right. It's about becoming the person you were meant to be. The person who doesn't bow to fear, who doesn't run from pain, who doesn't stop when the odds are against them. You are more than they see. You are more than you think. And every step you take, no matter how small, is a step closer to the person you're destined to become. So rise, not because it's fair, not because it's easy, but because you have no other choice. Rise, even when it feels like the weight of the world is crushing you. Rise, even when the darkness whispers that you can't. Because you are not here to fade away. You are not here to be forgotten. You are here to leave your mark, to carve your name into the fabric of existence with blood and sweat and fire. And when it's all over, when the dust has settled and the ashes have cooled, you will stand tall, not because someone saved you, but because you saved yourself. So rise. The abyss is watching, waiting. Show it who you are.